Hello, this is a quick video of a AINTER. Hopefully I got that in the site. Let me make sure. A AINTER model 108-608-5228-093143-2021. The manufacturer part number is the same as the model number. I got this on Amazon, and what this is a radiator pressure tester, and it comes with an assortment of pieces, all of which are metal. This is plastic, this is metal, and this is the size number 3 that I plan to use on the Massey Ferguson tractor. It comes with an assortment, a thermostat. I won't open this up, but it's a thermostat from 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and centigrade. Number 1 here is a pressure gauge to put pressure in. It has a relief valve to relieve the pressure, and let me get back behind here so you can see what the gauge actually looks like. It has PSI and bar on it, PSI on the inner. This is all metal. It says here, caution, working pressure, do not exceed, exceed the max 50 to 20 psi, pounds per square inch. Okay. It comes with the various assortment sizes of gauges, and then things for radiators that I've not seen or understand. And they do have numbers printed on them here. This is a number 9, and it's on the box labeled as 9, so that's kind of nice. I think this thing costs a little over $60. It basically has the adapters, and I'm not going to read all this, but I'll hold it up there so you can see the paperwork that it comes with. But it talks about the way to detect the leak. Water tank, oh, there goes the clock, sorry about that. And it talks about the numbers and the vehicles that all these adapters fit. Then on the back it shows you what they are. Okay, and the reason I bought this is I have a tractor, a Massey Ferguson 255, that seems to be making oil and losing coolant, and that's not a good sign, but I'm going to go test it. And the advantage of an adapter like this, you don't require an air compressor. There's different models and types. Here's a much better one I prefer, the Airlift, and they have demonstrations on the internet with that, but it requires a compressor to create a vacuum, and it's the opposite of pressure pushing. It's creating a vacuum, and it will find leaks as well. But I just wanted to do a quick show out, and yes, all these pieces are metal. So it's metal, and that is good. Alright, I'm going to edit this and post it. I thank you for watching, and I'll have a video on checking out the Massey Ferguson 255 here. I'll be working on it this weekend. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye-bye.